Hi, and thank you once again for joining me. Today I will be quickly unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I just bought it today. It's the burgundy color. So this will be a replacement phone for my sister. The price of this device is 5,399 dirhams. I bought it from Virgin Megastores. Let me quickly go ahead and open this. Right. This is the 512 GB version, 12 gigabytes of RAM, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. And this does not come with the charger, as you already know. Okay, they are being environmental friendly, you know, not because they are greedy, they are just being environmentally friendly. Okay. I believe this is a 6.8 inch screen, 108 megapixel front shooting camera. Okay, yeah. What else is in the box? Nothing else. I think it's just okay. Then you have the SIM tray removal tool and Type-C cable. That's it. Okay, so that's the unboxing. So is there anything special about this? Oh no, this is just to contain the length. Okay, so this is the phone in a nutshell. Okay, and along with the phone I also got her the smart LED view cover. This one costs about 249 dirhams. Okay. It's like a leathery feel. Let's clean it out, peel out the back, and install it in here. Yeah, that's how it goes in. So that's about it, guys. Thank you once again. You have a wonderful day.